Do you love carbs but hate how they make your blood sugar go haywire? You're not alone. Many people struggle to enjoy their favorite foods without the dreaded sugar spikes. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for our overall health and wellness. When we consume carbs, our body breaks them down into glucose, which then enters our bloodstream. For people with diabetes or insulin resistance, this can be a major concern. Even for those without these conditions, unstable blood sugar levels can lead to fatigue, cravings, and weight gain. So, it's essential to find a balance between enjoying our favorite carb-rich foods and keeping our blood sugar levels in check. The relationship between carbs and blood sugar is complex. When we eat carbs, they cause a rapid increase in blood glucose levels. This triggers an insulin response, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels. However, for some people, this process can be disrupted, leading to blood sugar spikes. These spikes can have serious health implications, including an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, kidney damage, and even cognitive impairment. Blood sugar spikes can also impact our daily lives. They can cause energy crashes, mood swings, and cravings for more unhealthy foods. This can lead to a vicious cycle of overeating and poor food choices, making it even harder to manage our weight and overall health. One of the biggest challenges people face is that carbs are everywhere. They're in our favorite foods, from pasta and bread to fruits and vegetables. It's hard to avoid them completely, and why should we? Carbs are an essential part of a balanced diet. The key is to find ways to enjoy them without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Many people try to avoid carbs altogether, but this can be a restrictive and unsustainable approach. Others may rely on medication or supplements to manage their blood sugar levels. While these can be effective, they may not be suitable or desirable for everyone. So, what are some alternative strategies for managing blood sugar levels while still enjoying carbs? Some common challenges people face with blood sugar spikes after consuming carbs include potential health risks and lifestyle impacts. For example, people with diabetes may need to carefully monitor their carb intake to avoid complications. Even for those without diabetes, blood sugar spikes can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and other health problems. The good news is that there are many strategies for managing blood sugar levels while still enjoying carbs. One approach is to combine carbs with protein and healthy fats. This can help to slow down the digestion of carbs and reduce the impact on blood sugar levels. For example, pairing whole grain bread with avocado and eggs can be a great way to start the day. Another strategy is to choose the right types of carbs. Whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains tend to be lower on the glycemic index, which means they cause a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. On the other hand, refined and processed carbs like white bread and sugary snacks can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. Timing meals can also play a critical role in managing blood sugar levels. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can help to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes. Additionally, staying hydrated and getting enough physical activity can also help to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the impact of carbs on blood sugar levels. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into our diet can also help to slow down the digestion of carbs and reduce the impact on blood sugar levels. Foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, and psyllium husk are high in soluble fiber, which can help to slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. Choosing low glycemic index foods can also be an effective strategy. The glycemic index is a measure of how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a low glycemic index, like whole grains and non-starchy vegetables, tend to cause a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. Exercise is another key factor in managing blood sugar levels. Regular physical activity can help to improve insulin sensitivity, which means our body can more effectively use insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. This can help to reduce the impact of carbs on blood sugar levels and improve overall health. One key insight that has been shown to effectively manage blood sugar levels while still allowing for carb consumption is the concept of carb pairing. This involves combining carbs with specific nutrients that help to regulate blood sugar levels. For example, pairing carbs with vinegar has been shown to reduce the impact on blood sugar levels. Another surprising method is to incorporate more resistant starch into our diet. Resistant starch is a type of fiber that resists digestion in the small intestine and instead ferments in the large intestine. This can help to slow down the digestion of carbs and reduce the impact on blood sugar levels. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into our diet can also be an effective strategy. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to have a regulatory effect on blood sugar levels and can be easily incorporated into our daily routine. To summarize, managing blood sugar levels while still enjoying carbs requires a combination of smart food choices, regular physical activity, and a few simple lifestyle tweaks. By choosing the right types of carbs, combining foods, and timing meals, we can enjoy our favorite foods without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. The key takeaways are to focus on whole, unprocessed foods, stay hydrated, and get enough physical activity. By making these simple changes, we can enjoy carbs responsibly without the negative effects on blood sugar. If you're struggling to manage your blood sugar levels, don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. And if you have any favorite tips or strategies for managing blood sugar levels, share them with us in the comments below. Finally, if you're looking for more tips on healthy eating, be sure to check out our other video on healthy swaps for your favorite foods for more ideas on how to make healthier choices without sacrificing flavor.